Diane, both our guests today have been very successful with their fitness program.
Yes, they have. Quincy has been working out with them and being their personal trainer and helping them be accountable.
Chris has lost over 50 pounds and Linda has lost over 35 pounds. And they're both keeping up their fitness program. They're coming in training with me twice a week, and they're doing their homework by doing their cardiovascular and other exercise on their own.
It's really important when you come in and see your personal trainer that you also do your homework, your cardio, and your nutrition. And that's something that personal trainers can also help you with.
One of the main things I think a personal trainer is good for is making the person accountable, but also advising them on what to do when they're not working with the personal trainer. Chris is driving up from Lexington twice a week to work with me, which is a good 30 to 40 minute drive, but you know, he talked about the fact that he wanted to have a trainer that he felt that had some experience.
That's so true. Having a personal trainer is a commitment, and the driving accentuates the fact that he is very committed to working out with a personal trainer. And sometimes you just have to do that. You have to make time in your day, and sometimes you have to travel distances to find somebody that you wish to train with.
And Linda's driving from the other side of town, which takes her about 15 to 20 minutes, and she's passing up other fitness facilities, but she said she did some investigating on trying to find a trainer she thought was going to have some past record of success.
And we've been training for quite a few years. There's a lot of trainers out there. We really think that we've been successful in our programs, and we would really love for you to try to find us at Extreme Fitness and do some training with us.
Finding a personal trainer is one of those things that it's going to be a matter of preference for each person. But when you're looking for a personal trainer, you do want to find out that one, he has some experience, or she has some experience, and that they're dedicated to the fitness program themselves.
And one way is to come and watch the trainer with his client, because you can see a lot by watching the interaction of a client and their trainer, and talk to some of the people that are clients and find out what their success stories are.
So I want to thank you for joining us today on the Fitness Cue.
Quincy and I would like to thank our guests, Pastor Linda Grady and Reverend Chris Smith, for joining us on our show today. Thanks also to Extreme Fitness for allowing us to tape our show in their facility. Please contact us at our website, quincyroberts.com, with any questions or